Let's now have Pia Bonalo. She's at the Canto Artist Run Space in Makati. Hi, Pia.
Emeline, there's a corner tucked in the streets of Makati where artists get together to showcase their works. I am here at Canto at the Collective in Malugay Street with artists Philip Paraan and Mara Herrera to tell us all about it. Good morning.
Good morning.
Can you tell me about Canto? Paano nyo naisipan yung idea na magkaroon ng ganitong space for artists?
Well, yun yeah. Canto, yung idea na not a lot of artists gets the chance to promote their work in bigger galleries. So I think that's the spirit of Canto. That's the core idea of Canto, is to provide a platform for emerging, and not just emerging artists, but committed artists na gustong mag-present ng works nila in a very accommodating and casual way.
A lot of people, when they think of art, they get kind of intimidated and medyo parang ayaw nila kasi parang feeling nila hindi babagay sa kanila. And then especially considering it's in Makati, they'll think that it's limited to the galleries and things like that. But you provided this space. Ano nagagawa nitong space ito for artists like you?
Well, it's actually a community. That's why it's called an artist run space. The artists, different groups of artists rin, curate, manages the space. So, nagagawa siya ng parang connectivity, sharing ng ideas. Kasi I think important yon sa isang community para mag-grow is to connect with like-minded people na bata at nagsastruggle na makilala o ibato nila sa tao yung mga ideas nila. At ang Canto isang magandang venue for it kasi relax lang naman siya. It's really relaxed, really homey. Kumbaga, creating a community here. Not just, a physical space, but beyond that, it's a sort of a family, a community.
What kind of artworks could people see when they go here sa Canto?
Well, generally, we exhibit or show everything that's within the contemporary art practice. But at the same time, it's not limited to that. We also have other things here. We give chance dun sa mga ibang artists na when they don't exhibit, paintings and whatnot, we give them the space to, like for instance, we have artists here na gumagawa ng mga crafts and accessories. Some do shirts. So it's everything, no? Kung ano yung ginagawa nila. It's like an artist salon, really. Everything that you can artists produce, you can find it here.
So it's not limited to paintings and writings like that. I hear meron din kayo sa group ninyo filmmakers, mga gumagawa documentaries. How do you showcase naman their works?
Well, may iba't iba rin we have different events here almost every month. We do film showings for free, poetry readings. We also have exhibits aside from that, pero workshops as well. Ayun, there's a different activities.
Really geared towards exploration. Beyond what the artist does or do, we try to find ways where we can, explore and find new creative ways of expressions. Like, pag tumatambay sila dito, it becomes an opportunity for them to connect and then find other artists that maybe
wants to collaborate.
Similar to what they do. And then,
Maraming nangyayaring collaborations
here. Yes.
How important is it for artists, especially nowadays, to find this kind of community? Kasi madami stereotype struggling artists, ganyan.
Kasi hindi naman siya, hindi siya snooty. It's really relaxed. So I guess a lot of artists would find it really parang relaxed here and they can just talk about, their ideas and stuff. So, di siya...
Is this place limited to your group or can other artists actually come and explore?
Definitely not.
Yeah. We invite, as much as we can, invite every kind of artist, whether they're into film, paintings and other creative practices. Not within our immediate network, but everyone. Like for instance, meron kaming in-screen dito ng mga filmmakers from the Visayas. We had a film screening here called Binisaya Film Festival. We became a venue partner for them. And then sometimes even artists abroad, give it a chance. Yeah,
It's not really limited. I'm sure a lot of people out there, mga artists or those who want to discover the artists in them, gusto din nilang pumunta dito sa Kanto. Please do invite everyone.
We're inviting you to tumambay dito sa Kanto with us and the different artists. Especially, we're open during Wednesdays to Sundays in the afternoon till late. So
I'd just like to also note nga bakit Kanto yung pangalan namin. Kasi nga yung Kanto, in our culture, Kanto yung tambayan ng mga tao, di ba? In the communities, people go there to hang out, get a chance to interact with other people from the community. It's the same kind of atmosphere we wanted to simulate here. Yung tao, not just artists na pwedeng tumambay, but curious people who wanted to learn about art, just plain folks, It's a very democratic and accessible space for them to interact with artists and find out, what the artists produce. And it's all about society and the surroundings. So, yeah, it's a healthy interaction for both audience and the artist too.
Okay, great. Thank you so much, Philip. Thank you, Maria. Sumama na kayo lahat. Tambay tayo dito sa Kanto and get to know artists like Philip and Maria. Jing, Amelin?
Thank you, Pia.